Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to put together your endless loom. So when you get your loom, you'll just want to go ahead and open your packaging. Included in your kit, you will have a package of non-latex rubber bands in assorted colors. And then you will have a set of 5 spacer bars here. You will have your loom end bars, and then you'll have your tension rods. So your spacer bars are going to tell you how long your bracelet is going to be. So we have one here for 7, 7.5. There's an 8, an 8.5. There's one here for a 2 5/8 inch ornament, and then there's one for 9 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and take the ones for the 8-inch bracelet, and they make it really handy here because it says right on here it's for an 8-inch bracelet, so it's pretty foolproof. And then I'm going to take out the loom end bars. And I'm going to use the 1/8 inch tension rods because I'm going to be using size 11 seed beads. So to assemble your loom, all you're going to do is get some rubber bands out here. Just going to get a couple here. And you want to take your spacer bars, and they're going to go into these 2 holes here. So you just push them in there. Then you're going to bring the other end together here and push those in there. Make sure it's nice and secure so that it's the same width on both sides. And then you're going to add I'm just going to add 1 tension rod here, just so I'm ready to go once I get my beads on there. I'm going to put a rubber band on both sides to kind of hold that guy together. And then this way you can move it as needed as you're weaving your bracelet. And then these rubber bands will just go on the ends here to keep my loom together. And that's all there is to getting your endless loom set up. Now I'm ready to start my starter piece and set up my thread, and I'm ready to go.